pulled up at this lady's house. She contacted me on Facebook. Said she had some cedar trees she's gonna get cut down, and she had to see the logs go to waste and wanted to know if I'd be interested in them. So I drove out there and met with her and looked at them, and I said, yeah, I said, I'll drop them down, and I said, I'll get the logs, and I'm not hauling off the brush or anything, but I'd love to have it. So I'm at her house now, and we're finna go back there and drop a few trees. We're going to open that gate. Got me a new bar and a new blade. $68.95 for the bar. It's about $100, but I should be cutting good. It cranks. It looked like it was coming at me. Is it going?
Nope.
Popped on me. Did you hear it?
Yep. Rod in it. The black ants, they love that. When you see them around the base, usually there's a reason. Look, you got a hole there on how deep it
got it cut up, de-limbed, and fixing to cut it in sections. Now, the thing, when tree guys cut a tree up, they don't care, they just cut it up. But what you need to look for is where the tree starts to taper. That determines how long you're gonna make your log. But if you look, kind of shoot that tree, you'll see this tree goes big, gets a little crazy right there. Then all of a sudden right here, it tapers down, gets skinnier. So that's where you want to cut it. That way your slabs are nice and even. They don't go from big to skinny. You got a nice, about the same distance slab to there. We'll cut it here, and then you look at it, probably we'll cut it maybe from here to probably here. You'll see it tapers down again. That's tapered down almost a nut, and that's not worth a whole lot. So we'll probably take it from here to there, and then from there to there. Down here. You'll see it. Can you get that? 23 inches, right at 2 foot at the base of that thing. So then we're gonna be some 12 foot, close to 24 inch wide slabs, which is, everybody wants 24 inches. It's hard to get on a cedar. But, anyhow, we're gonna cut it up in sections, and that'll pretty much be it till we come back with some way to load it up. Cut into thirds.